Now, let's just switch build targets to just quest. There's a reason. So I'm going to switch off of Windows, click on the Android, click off, and just be like, are you sure you want to switch build target? Yes. Do it. All right, we're on quest. All right. So you might have noticed immediately. It's like, whoa, the shader you're using, we don't want that. That's because they're like really picky about like what they have and not on quest. So if I come look, yeah, boom, yeah, the materials. So yeah, that's crazy. Well, obviously because we're on quest, we're gonna use VRChat Mobile Standard Light. VRChat Mobile Standard Light. Then we're gonna set the metallic to 1, the smoothness to 1, and then boom, that's our, yeah, that's our character. All right. Anyway, now we're gonna just go check out what it looks like with occlusion set to. We do not want that set to 1. Heck that. Hair. I think everything on 0.5 looks fine. Maybe you might have the body on 1. Let's see. Yeah, I think 0.5's fine. I think 0.5 works great actually. All right, so you got your character. They're all set up, requested, everything. One thing. Sometimes the textures you're using might be too high resolution and take up too much space on quest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, first off, will this character do that? So we're going to build and upload. And it might throw me an error saying, hey, your thing is way too large for quest. And if it does, no problem. I can easily sort that out. So let's play the fun waiting game. Like I haven't been playing that for 7 years. How many years? No way. What? First try? Aw. I wanted to tell me it was too big so I could go show people how to. Aw. Oh, this sucks. Aw, man. The successful upload first try? This is terrible. Well, if your character didn't do that, what you could do to the. Oh, this is terrible. This ruined it. It ruined it. Ruined it. So yeah, you just you know, you go to your texture, you go to the thing, and you go to the Android build target, and you override for Android. And you can change the resolution maximum to be whatever. So let's say it's currently on 1024, but let's say I really wanted it to be 512. But also, there's this format, and currently it's set to compressed ASTC 6x6 block. Well, I would recommend 8x8 block. So right now it's this. Wow, 85 kilobytes. Now let's undo that. So 0.6 megabytes to 0.85 kilobytes. Pretty huge difference. Like, let's do that to a normal map real quick. 2.4 megabytes. Let's say 1024. 8x8. 341 kilobytes. Huge difference. By the way, it's very minuscule the difference it's making. Why? Like, let's do that to the specular real quick. You won't even notice the difference. Boom. Literally, like, zero difference. Crazy stuff. Now, let's, okay. So yeah, successful upload for Android, first try. That's great. Now, let's switch to the iOS build target. I guess won't take another 7 years. Well, because it's successfully uploaded on Android first try, might as well just click build and publish for iOS, because like, same thing. You just, I'd be like, they're basically the same thing. So yeah, boom. Yeah, there you go, man. Oh my god. Hey, maybe part 4 I'll add like how to add like a toggle of like an item or a back bling or something. Something wild.